Desertification is one of the major causes of climate change, and it is alarming the rate at which trees are being cut down without planting new trees. This calls for a campaign against desertification, with the task of planting enough trees given the necessary financial support. Take a look.
Don't quota. You again. Every day. Mpo. Don't you know that the rate at which you alone are cutting down this tree without planting new ones? By the year 2030, you must have cutting down all the trees, adding to climate change problem.
Are you serious?
Don't you also know that if you continue to plant at least one tree every day, by that same 2030, you alone must have planted more than 2,000 trees, adding to the solution of global warming. Now that you know, stop being the problem, be a solution. Come, let me teach you how to plant also.
From Nigeria, Chivi Terhemba, campaigning for Climate Ready TV.